And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
We'll start with a heaping helping of Colorado eye candy, the snow-capped Colorado Rockies under moonlight and starlight from Twin Lakes, thanks to digital art for that beautiful viewer photo. Outside tonight, we've got crystal clear skies from America the Beautiful Park to Pioneers Museum, all the way to that Olympic Training Center. And it's still mild out there. We've got that downslope flow coming off the hills. Pueblo, a beautiful night, bright skies out there with that big, beautiful full moon. In November, the full moon is called the Beaver Moon. Keep in mind, we'll be under red flag conditions tomorrow, 11 a.m. through 7 p.m. from the Springs, Pueblo, all the way south to New Mexico, all the way out east to the Kansas border. A very dangerous day for fire starts. I think we all know the drill by now. Just need to avoid outdoor spark and flame. Even a small spark can create a dangerous fire when conditions are this dry. So here's the phrase that pays. Be careful and be alert. If you see smoke, call 911 as quick as you possibly can. Here's what's going on. Strong energy crashing onto the west coast tonight. That storm is headed for Colorado. The main energy passes too far north to be a major precip maker here across the News 5 viewing area, but I think the mountains will get some healthy snows, maybe 4 to 8 inches of snow across the ridge tops of the Rockies. A lot of wind to go along with it. So if you're going to be traveling westbound tomorrow, check the latest road reports before you venture out. Here's your Wednesday, hour by hour, a mix of clouds and sunshine as we work through the day. It'll be those high, thin clouds. The big story is going to be that strong, gusty wind. And here comes that snow tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. Could see a dusting, I think, from far western El Paso County, parts of Ute Pass up into Teller County. But with that downslope flow, it's mainly going to be dry here across the southeastern portion of the state. Here's how bad that wind is going to get. Not too terribly bad early tomorrow morning. It starts cranking hard by mid to late morning. We'll see peak wind gusts between 40 and 45 miles per hour across most parts of southeastern Colorado. Even after sunset tomorrow evening, still gusty in the areas that we've shaded in red. Worst of the wind is going to be out across the far eastern plains. It's a high wind watch. Means watch out, your possessions could blow into Kansas. That lawn furniture need to be tied down. Could see gusts up to 60 miles per hour, blowing dust, a strong possibility across those areas. Pueblo, what a day today. Look at the difference between the low and the high. That's a 54-degree difference. It's like experiencing two different climates in the same day. That's just a product of some very dry air. And in the spring, 73 this afternoon. Missed the all-time record high by just 5 degrees. With that warm downslope flow, temperatures tonight staying above freezing. It's a bonus this time of the year, saving us some money on those heating bills. And around here tomorrow, yes, those temperatures don't look too bad. Unseasonably warm, but going to be hard to enjoy those numbers with that strong gusty wind blowing most of the day tomorrow. Here's that Super 7 forecast in Colorado Springs, breaking out that wind hour by hour, because that's really the big story across our area tomorrow. Cold front rolls in and knocks us back dramatically. 46, the official high temperature for us on Thursday. It'll be windy, but not as bad as tomorrow's wind. A real cold Veterans Day on Friday, a high only into the 30s. You get sunny skies all day and less wind, and then we start warming up again over the weekend. Pueblo red flag warning tomorrow. Be vigilant, be alert, stay away from outdoor spark and flame with vegetation that dry, and that wind crank and hard fire starts will be very hard to control. Your temperatures fall off by 30 degrees by Friday. A chilly Veterans Day despite all day seeing sunshine. Temperatures warm back into the 50s by Saturday and Sunday. Canyon City t-shirts and shorts tomorrow, then a serious cool down. The real November shows up Friday. Sunshine, but a chill in the air all day, and then dry and a little warmer over the weekend. Woodland Park, that wind is going to get your attention tomorrow. Gusts 50 miles per hour possible, causing everything to shake, rattle, and roll. It will be cold on Veterans Day Friday. The high not even hitting freezing. Your morning lows into the single digits Friday and Saturday morning. Patrick?